And today we have a mini car feature of a Saab 900. So let's go. Welcome to my channel.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
I'm Rickon.
And how old are you?
20 years old.
And what kind of car do you have?
I own a Saab 900I from 1985.
Why did you choose this car?
Because of its rarity and that I like the uniqueness of the Saabs.
So for how long have you owned this car then?
5 months now.
Oh, that's not so long actually.
No, but I've enjoyed the time I owned it.
So are you gonna do anything to your car then?
Mainly save it from rust and just keep it going basically.
So why do you choose the Saab? I know you said it's a rare piece of car, but is it any other reason why you choose this Saab in particular?
Well, it's kind of cheap to own because it's an older car and it's easy to work on and it's easy to learn things and that's something I like, so I mean, why not?
So what are you are gonna fix the rust on the car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you gonna do anything else to the car besides getting the rust done?
Possibly. I have some future plans, but nothing really big now, so yeah.
Okay, so you can't tell us anything yet?
No.
Okay.
I'll keep it a secret.
Yeah, I understand. So do you fancy any other car brand or is it just Saab?
I have a big love for Volvo too, and also Koenigsegg and stuff, but I mean, I own a Volvo too, but that's still a really project car, so yeah.
So what kind of Volvo are you owning?
A Volvo 240.
Ah, so you stay with the Swedish classics?
Yes.
Yeah,
That's the best.
I understand why, because the 240 is a really classic car as well.
Yeah.
Is it possible that we may do a feature on that as well in the future?
Yeah, definitely in the future, maybe 1 or 2 years or so.
Yeah.
Something like that.
And you heard it here. In 1 or 2 years we may do a Volvo 240. So give it thumbs up. And I hope you really enjoy this.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
One more thing to ask, the question of the day. What did you all think about this Saab 900? Did you like it? Did you think it was a piece of shit? Comment below what you think, and I wish all of you a great Sunday. Take care, bye! If you like this content, we have similar videos that you can watch here and here. And I wish all of you a great day and take care, bye!
All these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die.